Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Namaste, namaste, namaste. This is going to be a different type of video where I've been to my friend's place and we have prepared Maharaja Peanut Masala.
Hey, wait, man. Hi, friends. So we are doing peanut masala now. So, अभी ये क्या है? What is this? This is carrot. We are grating carrot. So this is chopped onion, then grated carrot, and there we have brought ready-made peanuts, fried peanuts, and we have tomato chips.
I'm not using tomato.
Oh, because he is not using tomato. So, what makes you feel that you don't have to use tomato but use chips?
Raw tomato I don't like to eat.
Okay, you want to eat raw tomato and use the chips instead of. So, this is a new way of preparing peanut masala. So, this is Prad's.
Little bit, otherwise we get salt. Onion, carrot, moong dal, this tomato flavored,
Bingo. Tomato flavor bingo.
and then with salt. So, 1 minute I'll come.
So now we will add salt,
Mix chili powder.
so now we are mixing peanut, carrot, onion, chips together with salt and chili powder. That is it. Simple, easy peanut masala for your starters. If you're having a party or with your friends, this is what you can do. We have named this as Maharaja Masala Peanut by Prad. So thanks friends for watching. Bye bye. As always, I request you all to please share this video with others and like and subscribe. Bye bye.